If you're one of those people that likes to be ready for every single occasion or situation, then you gotta check out this OneTigris ifak pouch, because this thing could be a really good thing to have if you're into camping, fishing, hiking, just going on the outdoors life and things like that. And you gotta be ready for every situation, as I was saying before. The best feature of this pouch is this one. Check this out. If you're in a situation that needs to have some of your equipment for emergencies or things like that, you can actually use this and have a super quick access that not only it's just for using it just like this, like handheld, but also this could be also, as you can see, used with a mold system. So meaning that you can actually attach this to any surface, to any like life vest or things like that. You can actually attach it with that and it will be ready at all times. So that's actually pretty good. You can see it has some really good room right here for all the things that you will need for those situations. And also it has this right here, so you can actually put small stuff, and 2 pockets inside of this area, as well as 2 side pockets, this one as well. So you can see that it's super easy to put together back again to the same like regular form as I was saying before. So in case that you're kind of like needing this again in a not regular or normal situation, you just do this and it will be ready right away. So that's actually pretty good. And on the outside, you're also gonna find this course right here, which is adjustable, so you can actually put some fabric in here if you need, or like a small blanket. You're also gonna find these 2 side pockets, and this, which is special for scissors. This is great for having easy access and also be ready for scissors right here. You can see that this is kind of like a waterproof fabric, and also comes with this loop right here, as well as these 2 handles for, again, easy transportation, or just like hooking it somewhere to another surface. Again, this is one of those things that you may need if you like the outdoors life and be ready for every single situation. I like it. I think it's super convenient. I want to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.